I get a lot of questions when buying a house. Do I pay points to have a lower interest rate? And I think the knee-jerk reaction is that we never want to pay more than what we have to pay. What you need is more information, a more informed discussion about what your goals are, what the strategies are, what you're going to do on the property. All of these things have pros and cons to it. So a lot of times I get questions like, oh, is this the right choice? What's better? I don't know. It depends on the situation. So one of the tools that we explore is a software system that allows us to basically map. What we're mapping is that there are interest rates in the marketplace. Those interest rates can be from, say, 5.5% to 8.5%. Those interest rates are available all the time. What's not clearly stated in the marketplace is that there's a cost of an interest rate. A lot of times we say the word par, or where we're not paying any discount points or getting any lender credits. That is the current interest rate. Often, especially in markets like this, there's opportunity for us to pay some type of fee up front, discount points. Some people would say this is prepaid interest. What this helps you do is have a lower than market interest rate for savings over time. And that's the key component that we need to talk through. How long do you plan on staying in the home? Average American in the United States, NAR would say it's about 7 years. And if you're a first-time home buyer, that average is probably closer to 3 or 5 years. So doing calculations for 30 years doesn't really make a lot of sense, because there would be opportunities either to sell that property and get something that is more desired for your new family needs, or we would have the opportunity to refinance, restructure our financial debt, and lower interest rates, etc. When we look at the cost of an interest rate over time, we want to make sure that it fits all different types of personalities. One of the things that I study in my coaching program is DISC, and those are just understanding kind of how people interpret information. So what we provide is basically a chart. The chart allows you to see break-evens between which option, A, B, or C, can make the most sense for you, your time frame, your budget, and your money. And a lot of times it can make sense to pay discount points when our marketplace typically says, oh, I don't pay points, it doesn't make sense. They're just not informing you of all of your options. Working with a true professional that can show you options inside and out and teach you about the process and how to leverage buying a home to make more wealth for yourself. My name's Shawn.